This time, I set out from California on a journey spanning over 10 days, passing through areas with limited road services and sparsely populated wilderness. No convenience stores, a lack of sufficient service facilities. When it's just me and my minivan in the vast wilderness, far from civilization, minivan's bathroom provides convenience. Below, introduce how I set up a bathroom in my minivan. Privacy shower. One of the biggest challenges on a long road trip is the lack of a clean shower space. You won't always pass rest stops with public showers along the way, and sometimes the facilities may be unsanitary or out of order. Unexpected situations can also arise, such as walking through muddy paths, getting soaked by sudden rain, or finishing a strenuous hike drenched in sweat. It may not be used often. Having it available when needed is incredibly convenient without taking up much space. Choosing shower supplies. Unlike vans, a minivan has limited space, making it difficult to install a fixed shower or store enough water. To overcome these challenges, opted for compact shower supplies and water-efficient method. 1. Portable bathtub. I chose the portable bathtub for its flexibility and ease of use, both in the minivan and a tent. Compact sizes. Takes up minimal space, easy to carry, easy installation. Simply open and attach the rod to set it up. Convenient storage. Easily folds up after use for quick storage. High privacy. Prevents water splashing and provides privacy. Easy to clean. A smooth surface for easy cleaning. Just wipe after use to keep it tidy. 2. Atomizers. On a long road trip, water is precious. I chose to use atomized water, which not only enhances comfort but also saves water, atomizes and breaks water into fine droplets. Compared to traditional showers, it has lower water pressure and gentler flow, reducing the chill and making the body feel less cold. Additionally, atomized showers can significantly conserve water, using up to 10 times less than a conventional shower. However, perception of cold is influenced by factors like water temperature, pressure, and ambient temperature, making it hard to quantify. If there's a stable power source, you can choose between a cold or hot shower based on preference. There are various types of atomizers available. Hand sprayer. This does not require power and is typically operated manually to build pressure. USB rechargeable sprayer pump can connect to any water source and automatically draws water, convenient for outdoor use. Electric spray bottle by electricity, providing even and long-lasting mist. Electric powered sprayer, although it offers better performance, is also relatively larger in size. Chose the electric spray bottle after considering capacity, price, size, and convenience. I specifically selected one with a long, flexible nozzle design which makes it easy to carry and effectively frees up both hands. 3. Shower stool. I base sitting down due to height restrictions in the vehicle, making standing both inconvenient and confined. Sitting reduces splash and foam spread, lowers mold risk, and helps avoid slips. Use a bucket doubles as a seat and storage for laundry detergent, body wash, and cleaning supplies. This bucket can also be used to wash clothes in areas without laundromats. After washing clothes in a large towel to wring out water, then hang them to dry on a crossbar. 4. Bath sponge. Sponge brush quickly absorbs water and body wash, creating foam to enhance cleaning power and effectively cleans the body. It's easy to rinse after use and dries without trapping dirt, keeping it clean and hygienic. 5. Quick dry towel. Using a hair dryer in the car is inconvenient and power intensive. Instead, use a quick dry towel to absorb moisture. Short in drying time, it's best to wash hair during the daytime and save bathing for the evening. Here's the shower technique I use. The Navy shower with these simple steps. 1. Turn on the water briefly to wet your body. 2. Apply soap and gently scrub. 3. Turn the water back on to rinse off the soap and finish. This method, originally used by the Navy to conserve water on ships, reduces water consumption by up to 95%. Cleaning and maintenance. After showering, crack the window to let moisture escape. Then, drain the water from the shower bucket. Rinse it with a little water. Wipe off any watermarks with a dry cloth and let it dry before folding it up. the bucket every 2-3 uses and dry it in the sun to prevent mold. Regular maintenance helps extend its lifespan. Personal restroom for urgent. During long trips, there are times when you may stop in remote areas or travel for hours before reaching the next service area or public restroom. Imagine after driving for hours at night, you finally find a parking area only to discover the sanitation conditions are unbearable. With your portable toilet, you can have a clean, safe place to relieve yourself, worrying about the filth of public facilities or the stress of an unsafe environment. A toilet supplies selection. 1. Folding toilet. I didn't want a fixed toilet in the car as it takes up space and is difficult to clean, and even in luxury RVs, wastewater isn't pleasant. Not all campsites have waste disposal facilities for cleaning. Flush toilets may seem convenient. They are difficult to clean. The visual and olfactory aspects are unpleasant. Instead, I chose a folding toilet with a plastic bag. Simply tie it up after use and dispose of it. No cleaning needed. It folds easily, saving space, keeping the car tidy. 2. Biodegradable trash bags. Using biodegradable trash bags with a folding toilet is an eco-friendly and convenient option, reducing the pollution of traditional plastic bags. These bags decompose quickly, minimizing environmental impact. When purchasing, ensure the bags can handle weight and moisture and seal securely. 3. Additional cleaning options. Folding toilets can be flushed, so it's helpful to use some methods to clean and reduce odor. Newspapers or leaves, easy to find and absorb moisture, helping to cover waste and reduce odors. Cat litter quickly absorbs liquids, turning urine into clumps and reducing odor. Solidifiers turn liquids like urine into gel form and contain antibacterial properties to reduce hygiene risks. Restroom SOP. 1. Open the folding toilet. 2. Use biodegradable trash bag and secure the bag opening to prevent it from slipping off during use. 3. After use, tightly seal the trash bag. How to dispose it? Can waste be thrown directly into the trash bin? There are no clear regulations prohibiting the disposal of waste in a trash bin, but some areas may require it to be disposed of in specific bins. It is recommended to securely seal the trash bag before discarding it, just as with children's diapers or pet waste, which can also be thrown in the trash. Therefore, my approach is to tightly seal the bag after use and dispose of it in a trash bin at locations with public restrooms. Freedom trade-off. Dignified. Although emergency showers and toilets may not be as comfortable as hotel ones, they offer more freedom. No check-ins, no worries about time or destinations. Some wait to save for an RV. Even a simple car allows spontaneous trips, while less convenient than a fixed shower. Privacy and cleanliness in your car maintain dignity and comfort. This journey may lack 5-star amenities. The trade-off brings greater satisfaction. In nature's solitude, luxury or simplicity becomes less important. It's about inner fulfillment and exploration. With any conditions, you can always set off